Hey everyone, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so we can be friends, but let's get into it. As you can see, I'm painting today, but before we get started with that, I just need to give a shout out to my husband. My last flip cup painting, I was talking about the medium-sized craft sticks, and where can I find them for a reasonable price? Look what my husband got for me. Hopefully this isn't my birthday present. It's not. That's just a joke. There's another box. Like, this is a big box full of popsicle sticks. So now I need to get more paint because I don't have enough paint for all those popsicle sticks. So as I said, we're doing a flip cup. I got my 3 cups already sprayed. Now the paint I did up yesterday, and I let it sit 24 hours. And then I just put silicone in it and stirred it, so kind of feeling like what was the point? But I don't know, we'll see. And it's that I was doing, I get the little tiny dots from the small air bubbles. And they look okay, but I was trying to come up with a way to lessen them, if you know what I mean. But they're like, not sure how well you can see. Even though this sat all night and I just stirred in, I didn't even stir in silicone, I just gave it a gentle stir. The air bubbles are back. So, I'm not seeing much point in letting the paint sit. For other techniques, maybe like the bloom technique, maybe it will work better. I'm not sure. You see, I got a gold in here. Haven't played with gold in a while. Well, I probably have, and I just forgot. So these are Amsterdam paints. I was so happy with my last flip cup. You see, I'm giving it another try. So I've got greens. Well, yeah, they're greens. Light and dark. And then instead of a light and dark purple color, I decided to try it with the gold. Because gold and purple, ooh la la, they look pretty together. I'm probably going to try a fully gold flip cup. Sorry, a fully purple flip cup. I think I said gold there. Wow. And then add a little bit of gold to it. So maybe like 3 colors of purple, 1 of gold, 1 of white, 1 of black. Scrape out all my paint. It's expensive, and even though I make up just a little bit more than I think I need, in case I get overzealous in my stretching, which you have seen me do, I still don't want to waste it. I'd rather have too much and have to tip off the excess, than not have enough. So the sun is going down right now at my house. So if it's a little darker than normal, sorry. I'm also keeping an eye out. There's a UPS package coming today. Thought it came earlier, but that was an Amazon package. So, but thankfully my window faces out onto the main street so I can watch vehicles come and go. There's 2 done. Oop, knocking stuff over. Getting paint all over myself, see? Now, if you're debating on starting this hobby, or you've just started, or you've been doing it for a while, you have to know it can be messy. How many videos have I done where I forgot paper towels next to me? Had a few of those. You know, you think you got everything set up and it's like, oh, I forgot this, I forgot that. I do keep a roll of paper towels in my artsy craft room here. So they're always within hand's reach. But then I gotta touch it with my gloved hands. Wow, can't talk today. So I have to touch it with my gloved hands. And they are covered in paint. Little blob of white fell into this, but that's okay. It's next to the white, so. Yeah, another one I'm gonna try. I want to do, I guess I'll have to do it on a smaller canvas, but get all the paint in one cup. And just do a flip, not a flip and drag. I am flicking paint everywhere. Was gonna do this earlier, but our one cat, he decided he wanted attention, so he wanted to cuddle with me. And if I had chose not to, he'd be at the door right now, meowing. And he'll only cuddle with me for like 5 minutes. So if I'm sitting on the couch with the recliner up, you know, he'll come cuddle with me for a few minutes and he'll go lay next to me, kind of by my feet. You know, sometimes he'll put a paw on my foot or on my lower leg, like an ownership thing. But if I get up, he's got to follow me around. What you doing? So right now he is napping. He's having a cat nap. The girls were watching me get everything set up here. But they so far have been fine, not screaming to get in. So we'll take that as a good thing. Well, my cups are pretty even. This cup is missing the most paint. I've heard other artists say that it's always the one on the end. Last one of the row. Okay, I won't scrape black too much, because the last painting I got that black streak and it was kind of like, whoa. Flip one, flip two, that one was a little bad. Okay, wipe off my hands and I will show you the lovely colors we are working with today. So black and white. The black is Liquid-X, because again, I went to the store, the specific art store, and forgot to get black from for the Amsterdam brand. But we've got Caput Mortem Violet, interesting name. Turquoise green, emerald green. This is the color that I was just like, wow on. And then deep gold. So even though I've got gold and Liquid-X, curious to see how it's going to react with Amsterdam. This cup has released. You can see that it's released. That one I can see on the side it's released, and this one I can see on the side that it's released. Now, all right, let's hope for some good pulls. Even these guys out a bit more. Oh, pretty. For the edge. For the edge. So lots of paint left in that one. I'm a little sad about that. That was better. That one is very purple. So let's do that. Oh, there's someone at the door. The door to the craft room. I got lights in my way. This went in. Oh, no, 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 no. No. That one was terrible. There's not a lot left in there. Okay. Go with a different cup here. Okay, I think that's as good as that's gonna be. We're gonna flip this around. Okay. Let's get that paint over. Ah, I got a caterpillar. Got a big air bubble. Well, a lot of the green is really missing. Okay, this side wants to go over first, so we will listen what it wants. Back we come. Let's get you to the other side. Hopefully not lose too much paint. There we go. We're over. Wow, that violet. Oh, I got my finger in there. Can never take me anywhere. That violet is amazing. It has really taken over. That's okay, because I like purple. What to do with that wormy? See right there? Just gonna put a stripe in there. I don't know if that's gonna do anything more. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. I am covered in paint. Getting a new paper towel. Went to go say something. You ever do that? You go to say something and part of the word comes out and then you get fixated on something else. So I think I went to go say, yep, let's torch. And then I noticed how paint dirty my gloves were. Oh, you're not even in frame. Okay, I gotta fix that. There you go. All that work, and now I gotta do it again. But that's okay. Try not to hit you as I'm doing my thing here. Get a bit more heat. Whoa, too much heat. Trying to stay about a foot away. Okay. Got a couple little ones. I think I'm gonna have to go again. Edges are looking good on the bottom. Okay, let's go again because that's not much coming up for cells, even though look at that beautiful gold one coming up on the violet. We'll get a little closer this time. Sorry. Tried my best not to hit ya, and then I turn around and do it. I would like some more gold to come up. Yeah, I could see a line of little cells there, and now they're growing into kind of like a caterpillar. There's some individual ones, so hopefully they stick. Okay, I got the same amount of paint as I used last time. Why am I having such troubles getting cells to come up? I'm going to pause you so you don't have to keep watching me do this, and I'll bring you back in a second. And we're back. Okay, see, now I got better cells. Apparently being watched was just too much pressure. I couldn't handle it. Little bare there, but we'll see. I might add some more smaller cells. But let's get the rest of this bad boy covered. Let's see what happens. Unhook my legs. The legs are just giant push pins. You can get them at your local whatchamacallit, envelopes, your office supply store. That's the word I'm looking for. Okay, apparently this side wants to go over first. So away you go. I'm getting some nice colors in the cells. Don't want to overstretch. Like, I wasn't sure how this was gonna look. Go over on that side. Whew. That caterpillar is a little stretched out. Yeah, see, I still have the little dots. So, I don't know, that's telling me that doesn't matter unless I put the silicone in 24 hours in advance. But oil rises, right? Oil comes up. That's what's bringing the silicone up. So I don't want all the silicone sitting at the top. I want it to be mixed in. So I guess we just have to live with the little dots. Obviously, it's not nearly as dotty as some of my other paintings. Pretty earthy toned look on here, where I put that thing, and that looks pretty neat. But I'm sure you want to get zoomed in, so let's do that. As I keep talking away, you're like, I just want to see the finished painting. And move this light out of the way, get rid of the glare. So what do we think? I got a couple really beautiful, like mauve colored cells just floating there. That gold one got a little warped. Got a little caterpillar there. Got some nice green ones in the violet on this side. Like that one has a black ring around it. Yeah, I think this turned out really good. I'm probably not going to torch it again. So I've got a couple bigger ones, a few little smaller ones, and I don't think I need to do any more. So this is the finished painting. I will scrape my sides at the bottom off camera. Don't worry, I won't forget because I just remembered to do it now. But thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you. Until next time.